Hi, welcome to our platform. This is Lorena, and today I'm going to show you how to add students to your classes by using the student self-registration option. Before we proceed with this step, we have to make sure that we have already created a class, which is also part of another of our tutorials. So first, make sure you already have a class. Then we'll go to the teachers panel right here. Then we'll go to settings. And we'll have to get some important information right here. First, we have to go ahead and get the class ID. We have to copy that. And then we have to scroll down and find the student self-registration option right here. It is disabled because it is in red. So we'll click on it to enable it. And then we'll have to copy this link too. And then when our students go to the link, we also have to provide them with the name of the title that they have to choose from right here. In their case, they would be choosing EFL 1. Then the class ID that we already copied. Then they would have to click on check class ID. They would have to input their information. And then they would have to select the name of the specific class that they will be joining. In this case, my students have to join to the Teens 1 class. And then they will have to click on Create User. Again, we have to give our students the link for the self-registration option, the name of the title, the class ID, and the name of the class that they have to join. Once they have all this information, they have to click on Create User, and they will already have their login information, which they can print or copy so that they can log in to the platform. Another interesting and important thing to remember is that when all of your students have registered in your class, make sure that you disable the self-registration function in order to avoid duplicate accounts. If you do have any questions, you can always send us an email at efl@ourstoryscape.com,